social guys sometimes brain dead and you're drama free. Waiting for his drama and accusing people of their mistakes and to be pointed for a normal drama. Why is it so people putting this reaction on every single message? Even though over here as well, like he, like hey, it's really sad because I was thinking, you were really cool and look so cool, but photo is easy. I don't have any time to lost with someone who put me at the end of all her priorities. Why is this again? Priority. I'm working too, I'm doing school, I have a social life, but I'm not acting as if I was a famous person who didn't have any time. So sad, this freaky social media generation of prude, so passive aggressive, toxic, just keep in mind what does that mean? Are maybe there's flower tones and what? Isn't that like a bit of an insult? Like you can't even afford to get a real flower, so you just get little toys, like flower toys, like Lego flowers and kind of cool. I think it's just awesome things ever. All men should just become gay, and if every man becomes gay, then like the whole world and society will be much stronger. Like I said, now this guy has just fully resorted to just buying a for himself rather than establishing a real relationship with a real woman, like respectfully. Actually, no, he's gonna buy a doll to like frick. He's gonna buy a frick doll. Realistically, dolls and real women look the same. I've seen enough women to know that even dolls look better than real women. The doll doesn't go frick someone else on you. The doll.
What up with this?
To Game 7 of the NBA Finals, where we have a tied game between the legend of Finn Balor and George Bush. Bush stand down the ball with 10 seconds left on the clock. And the ball has been stolen by Finn Balor. 10, 9, 11, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The other day I realized that ChatGPT is surprisingly really good at coming up with offensive movie ideas.
You cannot allow this to be our American way of basketball.
Your defense is weaker than airport security.
Pursue what we slightly slogan. You're either with us or against us on the court.
I'm about to rain down more threes than you can handle. My shots are so accurate, they'll penetrate any defense.
We'll smoke them out of the paint.
I've got more tricks up my sleeve than a TSA pat-down.
Mission accomplished? Not until we win this game.
Time to slam dunk on the infidels.
Don't assume to appear to win. Unless it gets you a job first.